guys, today I'm going to do a video on my product Empties. What's up guys, my name is Jackie. Today I'm going to do a video on product Empties. So when you finish a full product, you kind of have a really good understanding of whether you like it or you don't like it. So I'm going to let you know if I'm going to buy it again, if I liked it, if I didn't like it. Let's start out with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I have it in waterproof. I did really like it and I think I bought 2 of these, but I'm not actually going to buy it again. Right now I'm doing a mix of the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara and a Wanderlust mascara, and I'm using those 2 and I'm really liking that. Also the Hourglass one and the IT Cosmetics one, really liking to pair those together. So I'm not going to be purchasing another one of these. Next in here is another mascara. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I used to love this mascara. This was my favorite one. I specifically bought it in the black version, and that's like the 24-hour one. There's this one, the waterproof one, and then the black one. That black one, it was my favorite, but again, I have a lot of favorites right now, so I'm not going to be picking this one up again. One more mascara. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes in Waterproof. This is one of the only waterproof mascaras, I believe, from what I've seen in person. So I definitely picked it up because I am a fan of waterproof mascaras, but I don't like this one. This one felt really clumpy on me and it didn't even hold my lashes really well, so I'm not going to pick this up again. Next thing in here are 2 more things with spoolies. This is the Maybelline Brow Drama in Transparent, and then this is the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Transparent. I like this one better than this one. I'm not going to pick up both of them. Right now I've been using the Essence Brow Gel, so I've been using that, and they recently came out with a transparent one, so I might pick that one up. Kind of hoping that it'll hold my brows a little bit better than the tinted one, but I'm going to try that one out instead of those. Next thing in here, I have a concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I don't like this under my eyes is what I've discovered, so I like to use it on my brows, to carve out my brows, but I've actually recently found 2 other concealers that do a really good job about it and I really like it, so I'm not going to use this one. Those ones are the L'Oreal Real Candid Concealer, and then the Catrice Liquid Camouflage. I really like that to conceal my brows also. After that, I have this e.l.f. Eye Refresh. This is out. I feel like it doesn't do anything. I do want to purchase this again and keep it in my fridge because I feel like the cooling sensation isn't quite like having ice on your face, but also kind of depuffing without the ice and having it melt everywhere. So I want to try this with it in the fridge. Next thing in here, this is the NYX Epic Eyeliner. For a while, I thought this was my favorite eyeliner in the world, and then I tried out a couple other ones. This was my 3rd one, and this is the only one that's done it to me so far, if not this one or 2 of them. After a while, they start leaking. My sister-in-law bought it and she said it's so liquidy, and I was like, I don't understand because mine's not that liquidy. But then it started coming to a point where it was literally just leaking. I would open it and then a bubble would form at the bottom, and then when you touched your face, it would just, a glob of it would come out at once. It was horrific. So lately I've been using the Physicians Formula one. This here, I have 2 of them. This is the Sugar lip treatments. They both have SPF, I believe. This one's just in no color, and then the other is in pink. It's really gross because I dig my fingernail in there and pull some up because I love this stuff. I am going to purchase some more of these. I just can't find a perfect dupe for it. Tried a couple things, I just love these ones the most. Oh, okay, so that's it, and then I have this bag right here. Next in here is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I've already repurchased another one of this because it is amazing and I love it so freaking much. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in blue. I do not like this, will not repurchase. It's a mess. Next in here is my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Mascara. It is waterproof. I do not like this. I don't remember why, to be quite honest. It dried pretty quickly, and then I think it didn't curl my lashes, like it didn't hold my lashes. Out of all the things I've used so far, Total Temptation from Maybelline is the best to hold my lashes, and then I use other stuff on top of it to kind of just do the volume and the length. This is the Jessie's Girl eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. This is the liquid liner. I liked this for a really long time, but it just dried up so freaking quickly, and it was so like, sometimes it would come out, sometimes it wouldn't come out. I wouldn't understand. This is brown, so it's not as pigment as black, but it shouldn't be drying out in the first or second use and then working again later, but really not even opaquely. It's just not my cup of tea anymore. I don't like it that much, and it doesn't do that great, and it dries up like instantaneously. Next thing in here is my Kat Von D tattoo liner. This used to be my holy grail. I wouldn't use anything else. I wouldn't even venture out until I bought my like subscriptions, and then I started venturing out and using other things. I'm not gonna write this one. I'm not gonna buy this one again, just because again I like better ones. I do really still like that though. This is the CoverGirl, there's dog hair, CoverGirl in soft brown ultrafine brow pencil. I use this all up. I thought I really liked it. I don't like it that much. I have a different holy grail. I'll talk about that in another video. I also used up the Maybelline Define Brow in light brown. Not the right color for me, too warm. Also kind of just slipped and slid on my face. Not a fan. This is the Brow Wiz from Anastasia, and you know I love this. I have this in medium brown. I'm not gonna buy it again because I think I found a new favorite brow pencil. Why do I have so many things left? This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I had it in chocolates for a good time. This was my favorite, like my go-to, but it's like $10 I think, and I just find different ones that are better for like $5-6. Oh, here it is, the other Jessie's Girl. I loved this. I did. Look how dry this is. Like, I did really love this, and then I bought like 3 of them, and 2 out of the 3 just were duds. So I was just like, this is getting, like, the inconsistencies were just very frustrating for me to deal with, and I found a different one that worked so much better, like more consistently. Oh, here's another Kat Von D, and here's another Kat Von D. I love Kat Von D. I've used a lot of them. She has that whole like controversy thing. And then this is the Infallible Paints L'Oreal liquid liner. This is garbage. Did not work for me. Used it on days that like I didn't need to go out really. I couldn't leave it on for long enough or else my eyes would just like look like, you know those tests that they give you that are like, oh, look at this ink blob and tell me what you see? That's what it looked like on my face. So those were my Empties products. Thank you so much for listening to me ramble. I did go a little bit quickly because there were so many freaking products to talk about. There will be some videos down below, some videos on the screen, my little face to be subscribed to me if you want to, and then I will see you guys next time.